At the heart of the 2026 Ram ProMaster Campervan is a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, producing an impressive 280 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering smoother shifts, better fuel efficiency, and solid power, whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing a steep mountain pass. The ProMaster's front-wheel drive layout gives it excellent traction in wet or icy conditions, and with upgraded suspension tuning for camper loads, you'll feel confident whether you're parked by a cliffside or rolling through downtown traffic. Plus, new for 2026, Ram offers an optional hybrid assist system, giving you a boost in both torque and economy, ideal for long road trips. And with a tight turning radius and available lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, the ProMaster doesn't just go far, it gets there with style and safety. The official release date for the 2026 Ram ProMaster Campervan is set for late 2025, with initial deliveries rolling out across North America in Q1 of 2026. Ram has confirmed that several upfitting partners, including Winnebago, Thor, and independent converters, are already working on custom camper builds for early adopters. Pre-orders are expected to open as early as October 2025, and demand is already heating up, especially among van life influencers and first-time buyers. Now step inside and prepare to be surprised. The interior of the 2026 Ram ProMaster Campervan has been completely redesigned for space, comfort, and functionality. With a high roof option and up to 6 feet 4 inches of standing height, it feels more like a studio apartment than a van. The living area features modular seating, a fold-out table, and a convertible queen-size bed that disappears when not in use. A compact galley kitchen includes a 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, mini-fridge, and ample cabinet space. And yes, there's even a wet bath with a toilet and shower combo. Perfect for off-grid living. Ambient LED lighting, sound-insulated walls, touchscreen controls, and solar-ready wiring make the interior both cozy and connected. Want to work remotely or stream movies in the woods? No problem. Ram offers an optional Wi-Fi hotspot and 400-watt inverter system. This campervan is made to be lived in. So, what's the cost of turning your travel dreams into reality? The base model, Ram ProMaster, starts around $52,000 USD, but fully equipped campervan conversions can range from $85,000 to $115,000, depending on layout, features, and customization options. That's a small price for the freedom to live and explore on your terms. Ram is also offering financing plans and incentives for early buyers, plus flexible packages for solo travelers, couples, or families.